Hello viewers, I want to update you all on current massive project that Governor Soludo has embarked on. This is ongoing construction of superhighway that will connect Amawbia to Oga. It will terminate on our boundary with Imo State. I hinted you guys about this project about a few weeks ago. The good news now is that the projects have started. That's from Amawbia end. Because the last time I covered Amawbia flyover, I told you all that AG Vision, which is the second contractor that is handling this road, they've started their own from Amawbia coming towards Amawbia. So as you can see from the video, this is police division which is located in Amawbia. The fence has been marked. Even Governor's Lodge at Amawbia, the fence also was marked, so they will all be affected. So this very contract is divided into two. AG Vision is handling from Oga down, then Gillette Construction Company is constructing from Amawbia, Nice, Agulu, going up. Governor Soludo did very well by handing this project over to two construction companies, at least for them to be able to finish the project on time. So this road you are seeing now will link up to Amawbia flyover. It is being dualized. It is a federal road. It's being funded by state governments. This is the effort the governor of Anambra State, Professor Soludo, is making to open up Anambra, as he promised to connect all the cities here in Anambra with dualized roads. Governor Soludo is doing wonderfully well. He's making history here. He's making a very big history here. Once this project is completed, it will open up this axis. Also remember that the governor wants to construct from Wago in Agulu to link up to Newi, dualized road. This project will affect many structures around this axis, especially those in Agulu. If you fly this road, you notice that Agulu area, they built very close to the road. It will affect many of them there. So the project have started fully. The governor is not waiting for the rain to stop before he flag up the project. So it have started already. So I'll be monitoring the project for me to be giving you guys update of what is happening. So be patient, watch the video, at least see the places, areas that this project will be affected around here.